marka aniga maadaama bijaamaan xidhanahay white iyo black waxaan diyaariyey kan iyo sidoo kale kan sidka labadan aan diyaariyey sababka maradaas kaga xidhaysaana yani marka la kala dooranaya alla odhan tana fiican iyo tana fiican qof walba xabadigu rabo uu doorto qaato yay guys saana ku qaadaya like sasan isku tasaaraysa ku qaadaya hey and kuwaasan diyaariyey wow so good naarta bracelet-ka ka sheekeeya aniga intaasan diyaariyey wait taas waxay iga yaabiyeen lacagta halka ku xidhan there's money jaamahaygna waa taas by the way bismillah xiliga giftigayga اولا هذا اضغط هذا وهذا هو صدق هاي ورني لعبت انا يعني اوه ماي جاد انا من لعبتها فرق اللاي انا بين لعبتها بالله ولا كارفة توري أنا بختار أي كلام قاتل I like this one. Can I taste this? No! I am حاجة كده. Oh my god.
Give me mine.
Okay.
No, forget it.
Okay, انت صار نقول في الستيك.
And this one. And this one.
Wow.
Where's the bracelet?
bracelet.
No. صوت مراكت. نلخص. guys شوفوا كان عندنا قف كان محقات اللبستين قف كان محقات قعنتها
هذا كان no this one I want him
مو لبسته بدلته منطقة عنتها
لبست واتس اوكي imika hadda waxa weeyaan giftiyada rasmooni yar fiixay maadaama culus yihiin
no ها قاطع
why
لا
yes
what's this oh my coffee
choose
chocolate cheese flowers
and biscuits
there's
wow
there's 3
actually
there's 4 yeah stop it
there's Oreo here biscuit cream flowers wow yes some kind of cassette my day
this is my gift
can you guys please smell
this is my gift
and you smell it يعني واحد ما تلاقي كل ستة واحد ما ضمبا oh my god wow it's so good wow
so good Wow. So perfect. So perfect.
This looks so good.
Yeah, I like the color, by the way.
So cute.
And this one.
هاي قفل بابك عليها الصعب دبا.
I got the key at the bottom. قفل بحاشة. So the key. Wow, حلوة. Show me the bracelet. And the other one.
And this one, oh my god.
Show me.
I think this one is so perfect.
So good.
So perfect, والله.
And the lipstick. Lip gloss. This is the best one. And this one's pink. And there's money. And there's eyelash.
I think this one are Hawaiian or double lashes. So
Okay, give these to Had. So excited!
by the way guys, intaan anigu helay. Yeah, intaan helay no.
Wow, so good.
Waxa ka ku faraxsanay waa this. It's so good.
And this.
Yeah, and this one's the perfect. See?
There's two
The eyelashes you can see.
eyelashes.
By the way, anu kalan xidha. This is double eyelash, so big
So beautiful.
and so big, like so heavy and the eyes. And here you can see, yeah. So here for what I got. Intaan anigu helay.
And intanaan helay green perfume. Oh, this lip gloss. Gacantan, wow. Yatan. Money. Aniguna intanaan helay. Creamkan, by the way, this is for men. So, iyo intan chocolate kan.
Your brother.
Yaaradan. All of that. I love it. Kanana isku keenay. Bye. Love ya.